my name is Lorraine of District 32. I'm here today with Dev Visage of Perth Grow Finance. How are you, Dev?
Hi, Lorraine, going well, thank you.
You're excellent. Yeah. So Dev, you are going to present for the Perth Business Community on how to raise capital as a business owner, where to start. But before we get to that, and we're going to tell people why they should come and see your session, tell us a bit about yourself, Dev. What is Perth Grow Finance? What do you do?
Right, the name is quite significant in the sense that it is originated from the idea that we all want to grow, and we all want to grow in Perth. And there's no better way, obviously, to grow than to understand finances, and obviously how to finance any form of asset that you want to purchase or acquire, and then specifically your business. So we've been in trading since 2016, and we focus on various forms of finance, whether it's with lenders, big banks, second-tier lenders, even private funders. And there's no finance that is needed that we cannot basically help with. So whether it's a personal loan, a car loan, a business loan, a self-managed super fund, purchasing commercial premises, purchasing a house. So basically anything that you are desiring or have a dream for and you don't have the cash to actually purchase it, we will help you to grow with Perth Grow. So that's a snapshot.
So you are the money man.
Yeah. In short.
Yeah. So look, have you always, since you started that, did you always do the personal side and the business side? Was that always the intention when you went into business?
Yeah, the intention from the start was to be a broker for finance, and that means all areas. Okay. Obviously, a lot of guys start out as either just being a mortgage broker or a finance broker or equipment finance broker. But from the start, we got our own ACL, which is the same Australian credit license, which is the same license banks hold, for that very purpose, so that we can actually help any person needing any form of finance.
Wow, that's fantastic. Usually we see some people, coming in from one angle or the other, to go and get yourself your license means you are the money man. Yeah. I'm giving you a catchphrase here, Dev. You're going to thank me forever when people just remember you as the money man, right?
The money man.
Yeah. So Dev, at the Pathway to Growth is a very unique a full day of workshops for business owners in Perth. We're teaching, and we've got pulled in experts like yourself to share information from anything from sales, marketing, money, systems, legal people, all of the essentials for business. Now, your area, I thought it was, really great that we can have someone of your caliber or expertise to share with people how to raise capital as a business. So, Dev, can you just, without giving away all your secrets, can you please tell people what they can expect from that session on the day?
Yeah, so the topic will be raising capital as a business. And whether you're starting a business or expanding your business, or just growing your company or growing by acquisition, you need funds to do that. So the whole idea is to say, okay, raising capital has got a lot of complexities and also has got a lot of pros and cons and a lot of pitfalls and things to basically be aware of. So my desire is basically to give a little bit of information and education on not only where to find finance or capital, but actually the process and what you need to get in place as a business to actually make that happen. And by understanding that, in future, for any form of raising capital, you'll have the tools to basically go out there and make the whole process quicker, faster, smoother, and actually achieve your goals. Beautiful. So we'll definitely talk about a few things like, the types of capital that's available or that you can raise, because a lot of people don't always know where and what kind of funds that they could, or capital they could raise. So we'll discuss various things on that front, and then just go into finer details about tips to get your business in place to actually get the money. Last thing you want to do is apply for finance and then get a no. So let's get a yes.
Yep. So you're going to tell us the different ways to get finance depending on our goals, the different ways we can raise equity, the pros and the cons of each, the process for each, which is dynamite information. You can't get that on Google. But Deb, why is it really essential that people access this information on the day?
It's absolutely essential because we have experienced, obviously, when we work with clients and clients come to us, we obviously hear the pitfalls and the things that they've tried and the efforts that they've made previously. So a big part of our business is been known as, if you can't get the finance somewhere else, come and have a chat to Perth Grow Finance and to Dev, and we'll make it happen. It's thinking out of the box. And actually, the old idea of, yeah, I need funds, I can just go to my bank where I'm banking and expect that I will actually achieve those goals, is dwindling more and more. So, like I said, the compliance, the complexities has just grown exponentially over the last 2 decades in finance. So for us, it's saying, listen, it's an education piece, but it is actually to help you to achieve those goals quicker and faster.
And you did mention there earlier as well, is the last thing you want to do is go with your plan in hand and go knocking on the bank's door to get a no, because that then lays in your credit rating that you've been rejected for finance, right? And then that's a whole other bag of worms.
Yeah, I think there's a big part there that's more and more people are becoming aware of, not only for individuals, but for companies. And that is their credit file, their credit score, and that the overall view that the credit industry has of a person. It's becoming more and more refined. So every time you pick up the phone or make an online internet inquiry, it actually hits your file and obviously impacts your ability to raise capital in the future. So it's things that clients would need to know beforehand to make sure that they're in a really good position. The
things we don't know. Dev, thank you very much. I'm really looking forward to hearing your presentation on the day. Thank you for offering to share that information with business owners. If we all had access to the right information at the right time, we'd all be a lot further in business. So yeah, thank you very much. I'm really looking forward to it, and we'll see you then. Thank you.
Looking forward to it. Thanks.